Subaru Outback 2004 to 2014. This car's transmission has two dipsticks. The short one on the left is for the front differential and the one on the right is for the transmission itself. It is crucial not to mix them up. To change the fluid, unscrew the drain plug at the bottom of the pan and drain it into a container. Then, using the dipstick tube, pour in the exact same amount of fluid that you drained. After that, you can drive 10-15 kilometers and change the fluid one more time. After two changes, your fluid will be about 85% clean.